Your chiller is a high-value piece of equipment that plays a vital role in your facility, supporting efficient operations, occupant comfort and productivity, and, more important than ever, energy efficiency and carbon reduction. Chillers are engineered for reliable operation in even harsh environments. However, like other mechanical equipment, they can wear over time, and they benefit from proactive steps to keep them operating at their best. Think of your car. Typically, if one headlight goes out, the other will soon follow, because they have the same expected service life. The same goes for many chiller parts. Traditional chiller maintenance relies on reacting to issues as they arise. Unfortunately, this can lead to complaints about comfort, disrupted operations, unplanned downtime, expensive emergency repairs, and reduced productivity. Now, there's a better way to maintain your chiller and see measurable results. Our new proactive services help you increase uptime, manage risk, plan your downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and extend chiller life. Proactive Services is a powerful addition to offerings such as planned service agreements or self-maintenance programs. Here's how it works. Johnson Controls chiller experts have gathered data from thousands of chillers around the globe to develop proactive services designed to keep your chiller at its best. These recommendations are based on chiller age, run hours, ambient conditions, and equipment condition and operating data. You benefit from our expertise as the chiller manufacturer and from OEM parts that are engineered for your chiller, manufactured to the highest standards, and deliver superior performance. Take a proactive approach to increase uptime and reliability. Proactive services can dramatically reduce emergency repairs and downtime. Enhance productivity. Facility staff spend less time reacting to chiller emergencies and more time running your facility. Manage risk. Avoid disruption to building and business operations and the risk of extended downtime due to parts not being available. Reduce total cost of ownership. Minimize the many unplanned costs of emergency repairs, such as overtime labor, higher prices for parts, expedited shipping, and lost productivity. Keep equipment and security up to date. Chiller technology is always evolving. We regularly upgrade our products to take advantage of new science to better meet your needs. With Proactive Services, you benefit from the latest solutions and software. Make the smart move from reactive to proactive. Add Proactive Services to your chiller maintenance program and save money for years to come. Ask your Johnson Controls representative about Proactive Services.